my name's Callum. This is a review for treestuff.com on the Stein kit storage bags. This is basically a giant waterproof almost duffel. The top closes up, so you have your top sealed and then you can dump everything in it. I like it compared to some of the whole packs because when it's open you can kind of see a lot more in it than just one narrow opening. So I like that over the whole packs, but other than that I don't really see much difference. It's a bit of a lighter pack. This one I think it came with backpack straps, but it doesn't have them on now. I can't remember if I took them off or I just didn't come with them. So I use my whole bag as a backpack, but this is a nice big duffel. It'll fit most of my gear in, my rope. I think it's about 40 litres. Rope, harness, hardware, software, change of clothes, helmet, all the good stuff. So yeah, that's the Stein kit storage bag.